Hello everyone, welcome to VBA Advanced. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to add values to a combo box and how to delete them. So this is the code. I'm going to talk about this code. Let's open Excel first. Open Sesame. Here it is. So if I click on this button, I get this user form, and this user form has this combo box and it has 3 values. So if I add some more entries and if I open this again, you can see now the entries have increased. So if I select bananas, that bananas got saved into B1. If I say pineapple, that go to B1. If I choose oranges, it go to B1. So if I say clear entries, there is no entry right now. So how to manage this combo box is today's target. So let's go to our code. We have this module, and in this module I have this vForm show, and that is userform1.show. So this is the command button. This executes this macro. Sorry, let me get away from your view. This is bad. I hope you were able to see when I was clicking this and working with these entries. All right, so let's go to Visual Basic. So yeah, now you can see. So let's go to our user form. This was the form. On this form, I have this. This is the combo box. I have only selected and dragged it here. I have this combo box now, just like that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to program this combo box how to add entries. So let's go and view the code of user form, right? So if I go to code, I can see what has been coded for this user form. So let's read this, go through this code and try to understand what it does. So if I think this is a better view. Due to zoom, I have to adjust my window. So this code is executing at the event of when the user form is activated, right? So from the left menu, if you recall how we program the events, from the left menu I have chosen user form, and from the right drop down menu I have chosen activate. So private sub user form activate and end sub is automatically inserted. This is the code I have entered for this activation. So with me, what is me? Me is, I'm not me here, it is me. So we came to this code by viewing the user form 1 view code. So me is user form 1. If I have multiple user forms. For example, if I have an other user form, and this is user form 2. If I have to refer a combo box in user form 2, then I will say instead of me, I would say user form 2 dot combo box 1. But because I am using the user form within within the code of the user form, therefore I can use the word me. Me is user form 1. User form 1 dot combo box 1 with so I'm changing the properties with and with function. So for each, we have already seen how to use for each. For each vCell, v is a variable, cell in range A1 to A5. So this is A1 to A5. For each cell in A1 to A5 dot add item. where this item is going to be added. This is going to be added in ComboBox vCell.Value. So first, in the first loop, it will be A1. In the second loop, it will be A2, then A3, A4, and A5. So this loop is picking up values from the cells one by one and adding it to the ComboBox. But this gets executed very quickly, so we don't see any delay. Just whenever this form is uploaded, we get these entries, right? So let's go to our code. So I think this is very simple. Dot add item is the property to add items to the ComboBox. Then when I click on this clear entries, ComboBox, if I have these entries, if I have these entries, you can see I want to clear these. I click on this button and now the entries are gone. So if I go to Visual Basic, if I go to clear entries, view code, I am going to view code of this command button. So I have this. From the left menu, I have the command button 1, and from the right menu, I have the event click. So when I click, this loop runs. What it does that? Do while ComboBox 1 dot list count. List count is the function that counts how many entries there in the ComboBox 1 are greater than 0. If the count is greater than 0, then ComboBox 1 dot remove item. Earlier it was add item, now it is remove item, and then we give the location. If you recall, when we talked about arrays, I told you that in an array they start with the location 0. Simple array, single dimension array starts with the location 0. Just like that, ComboBox location also starts with 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this loop removes an item one by one. First time, when it will remove location 0, the location 1 will become location 0, and so on. And this loop will keep running till the list count is greater than 0. And by running this loop, we remove the items from ComboBox. And then the last thing this model is doing is saving the selected entry in B1. How that is done? That is also very simple. ComboBox 1 and the event is changed. When I click on that ComboBox, there's a change, and that change, when that change happens, range B1.value changes its value, and that will be equal to ComboBox 1. When I talked about ActiveX, I told you that the output of an object is referred to with its name. So the name was ComboBox 1. So its output is saved in B1.value. Just you can see once again, if I select orange, as soon as I select orange, this go to B1. So we are going to use these combo boxes in our database when we develop a database that will have a look of an application. Then this user form and the combo box will come into play. So I hope the concept is clear. By simply using the two properties .addItem and .removeItem, we can play with combo box list. And the events are important. When I activate the user form, then the combo box in the user form gets updated. So try to create this model. I hope you will be able to do it. And if you have any query or question, leave it in the comment. And if you have learned something new, think about giving this video a thumbs up, liking this video.